Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Candice. If you're returning, welcome back. You guys, it's that time of the year, okay, where we start rolling out our fall content. You know, I'm really just focusing on the eye, which is this Juvia's Place palette. I purchased it about a year ago and I think I got it for like $10, and the best $10 I've spent, okay? I used 4 of the 6 shadows. You guys know I be trying to like use as many shadows as I can so you guys can like really see them. And so you can also know that, you know, you can really push the limit and use almost all the shadows in the palette and it'll still turn out cute. And then my rings and my nails are all 5 Below. Okay, these past couple videos, 5 Below has just been coming through. Okay, don't sleep on 5 Below, honey. Now I will say this, the nails do feel like, you know, they feel kind of cheap. They do, not even front, but in terms of the glue, them sticking, oh no, that's fine. Okay, are these my like Marisha manicure nails? No, like her nails are literally top tier salon quality. She needs an actual nail tech. But I mean, if you need something quick, cute, you know, girl, run a 5 Below and get you some $5 press-on nails. Like, it gets the job done is what I'm saying. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video if you enjoy it. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So I'm actually baking right now, but I wanted to use the berries by Juvia's Place for this like fall look, you know, honey, a national treasure at this point, okay? So I'm gonna swatch this one. I mean, we all know Juvia's Place palettes are like pigmented, they're always giving, and that's just like what it is. I have on a white like leather skirt and the makeup is just falling all over it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one. You guys, do you see like how gorgeous is that, right? Are they insane? And then we're gonna do this one, gorgeous. And then we're gonna do this one. So these are the swatches. I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this eye, you know, while I bake. You know, when you're working with intense colors like this, you need like a transition shade. I'm gonna be using my go-to from the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, and it's called Vibrate. This is my transition shade. Really just pressing this into the skin and just allowing the brush to do the blending for me. It's the benefit of, you know, having like this really huge blender brush is that like really all you have to do is just like tap the product in, and I mean the brush is just so big, it pretty much does the work for you in terms of blending. All right, so transition shade is applied. So now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place palette, and I mean this is just such a pigmented palette. I mean, I'm not gonna have to do much obviously, so I'm gonna go in with this shade first. I'm gonna go in with this one next. Like this is like, oh my gosh, you guys, like this pink, it's so mesmerizing. Oh, you guys, look at this. Holy smokes. This is insane. It's literally so gorgeous. Wow. I'm keeping a blender brush that is clean handy so I can go in and just buff out these edges so it's like seamless. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shadow here. With these types of shadows, I really like using my finger, and I'm really like salty. I put these nails on first. I should have waited, oh, so I can go in with my finger, but since, you know, that's not an option right now, I'm just gonna use this packing brush and hopefully it gives like the same effect. Oh, that's pretty. Do I feel like it would look better with my finger? Yeah, but you know, you gotta make do with what we've got. take a little bit of this shadow here and like stick it on the outer V here. Grungy, like rocker type vibe. So I'm gonna sweep away this powder that's been baking. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face in terms of like setting my foundation, applying bronzer, and then applying the liner and everything like that, and my lippy, of course, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so the beat is on, and honey, if I never knew before, I know now. I am that girl. I told you guys, I love fall. My favorite content, my best content on my channel is like these months, okay? October, November, this is when I bring the heat, okay? Like, I mean, In all seriousness, I really do love this look. I can't believe it took me so long to like put this on my channel. I mean, it's just gorgeous. But like I said, I got it like a year ago, and you know, I never shot any content with it. And just these colors, these are colors that are good like all year round really, but I mean, it's really giving the fall vibes that I wanted to go for. And you guys know, when it comes to my fall looks, I don't like to do like super traditional stuff. You know what I mean? I don't like to do what's expected, which is like pumpkin spice looks. Like, no, like last fall I literally did a lime green eye, and shortly after Nicki Minaj did like a lime green eye, Beyonce did a lime green eye. Like, I just know my stuff, okay? And this is giving, okay? This is the vibe we're going for this fall, okay? It honestly cannot get any more perfect. The lashes are, of course, Bloodline Beauty lashes. I am so happy I did this look. It is about, that's AM by the way. It's literally 3:45 in the morning where I am, and I'm up just beat. I just felt like I had to strike when I had to. I just got like this creative urge to do something, and so I wanted to hop on it, which is why I did it. But I really hope you guys like this look, and I hope you guys are ready for some more fun fall vibes, fall looks, because I just love the fall. Like, it's just, to me, it's the best time of the year, the best makeup of the year. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.